Crochet baby frocks have a magic of their own. Soft, stylish, delicate, and always heart-melting. There's something special about the way crochet sits on a baby's skin, how it brings out their innocence, and how every stitch seems to glow with care. Today, we're exploring the world of trendy new crochet frock designs and crochet baby clothes that are taking the fashion world by storm. Whether you are a crocheter, a new mother, a gift giver, or someone who just adores pretty baby outfits, get ready to fall in love with the beauty, usefulness, and charm of crochet. Let's start with the heart of it all: why crochet baby frocks will always remain timeless. Crochet isn't just yarn and a hook, it's creativity woven into fabric. It's the warmth of handmade love stitched into a pattern. It's softness created with precision and care. And when you place a baby in a beautifully made crochet frock, something magical happens. The outfit doesn't just decorate the baby, it highlights their joy, their movements, and their natural innocence. Babies look more lively, more active, and more expressive when they're dressed in crochet because the designs move with them, breathe with them, and add charm to every tiny step they take. In today's world, crochet fashion is evolving quickly. We've moved far beyond the basic patterns of the past. Now, we see bold colors, chic modern stitches, layered textures, and creative combinations that take crochet baby clothing to a whole new level. One of the biggest trends right now is the layering technique. Designers are layering soft ruffles, shell stitch borders, and lace-style cuts to create frocks that look rich and luxurious while still being light and comfortable for the baby. These layered frocks give the baby a princess-like appearance, and the moment you see the little one walk or crawl in it, the movement of the layers brings an irresistible charm. It is beauty meeting motion. Another growing trend is minimalist crochet frocks. These are simple, clean, and elegant designs made from soft pastels or neutral yarn colors. They're perfect for mothers who love a subtle look without too much detailing. Minimalist crochet frocks are also incredibly useful. They go with almost anything. You can pair them with leggings, socks, a cap, or even a cardigan without worrying about the outfit clashing. Their light and breathable nature makes them perfect for everyday wear, outdoor play, and even daytime outings. And because they're soft and stretchy, babies feel comfortable and active in them. When a baby is wearing a minimalist crochet frock, you'll notice how easily they move, stretch, explore, and play. There's no restriction, no heaviness, and no irritation. Speaking of comfort, another trend taking over crochet baby fashion is the use of cotton blends and baby-friendly yarn. Modern crochet designers prefer yarns that are super soft, anti-allergenic, and gentle on newborn skin. Unlike heavy or itchy materials, these special yarns make the frock feel like a soft cloud wrapped around the baby. And when a baby feels comfortable, you can see it in their expression. They giggle more, move more, and feel more confident exploring their surroundings. A good crochet outfit doesn't only look beautiful, it supports healthy movement, comfort, and warm protection. Now let's talk about the modern twist in crochet baby clothes, the beautiful color trends. Bright, joyful colors are becoming more popular than ever. Designers are experimenting with sunshine yellows, coral peach, mint green, ocean blue, lavender, and warm pink. These colors bring out the liveliness in babies. When a baby wears a bright crochet frock, their face seems to glow even more, and their playful energy becomes instantly noticeable. There's something charming about a cheerful baby color combined with elegant stitches. The entire outfit feels like a celebration of life. One of the most adored designs right now is the ruffled yoke crochet frock. The yoke area is decorated with ruffles, shells, or fan stitch patterns, creating a soft, decorative layer around the neckline. The beauty of this design is how it frames the baby's face. Every smile, every movement of the head, every turn looks extra adorable. It's a frock that draws attention without being overwhelming. We also have flare frocks making a massive comeback. These frocks start fitted at the top and flare out beautifully towards the hem. They give the baby an elegant, classic look, and the flare moves beautifully as the baby plays. This design is perfect for birthday shoots, special outings, church events, or any occasion where you want the baby to stand out without sacrificing comfort. The movement of the flare adds a playful rhythm that makes the baby look active and free. Another exciting trend in 2025 crochet baby fashion is the mix and stitch style. This involves blending 2 or 3 different stitches in a single frock. For example, combining V-stitch, shell stitch, and moss stitch to create a unique pattern flow. This kind of creativity gives the frock depth and texture. When babies wear these mixed stitch frocks, the outfit becomes a mini piece of art. The texture looks rich, the design stands out, and the baby looks beautifully styled without appearing overdressed. And then there are the accessory combinations. Today's crochet baby outfits often include matching bonnets, booties, headbands, or mini jackets. These sets not only elevate the overall look, but also add usefulness. A crochet bonnet protects the baby's head from wind and cold. A matching headband keeps baby hair neat. Booties provide warmth and gentle support. Together, they create a complete look that is sweet, stylish, and practical. Let's take a moment to appreciate the usefulness of crochet baby clothes. One of the biggest advantages is versatility. Crochet outfits can be worn in any season, depending on the yarn thickness. Light yarns for summer allow good airflow, keeping the baby cool and fresh. Thicker yarns for colder weather give warmth without weight. Crochet also stretches naturally, which means you don't have to worry about the baby outgrowing the outfit too quickly. The flexibility allows babies to move freely, bend, crawl, dance, and play without any discomfort. Another advantage is durability. Handmade crochet is strong and long-lasting. Even after multiple washes, the stitches remain neat and the shape stays intact. This makes crochet a perfect choice for gifting because it lasts long enough to become a keepsake. Now, let's look at the emotional part, the beauty and joy of seeing a baby in a well-made crochet frock. There's a reason why so many mothers love crocheted clothes. They make babies look more angelic. The